Increase affinity. So, nag-gets na agad. So, pag-increase affinity, ang tendency niya, kukunin niya si oxygen. No? So, ayun, hindi natin sasabihin yung comparison kung kailan at a certain oxygen concentration, kung kailan ibibigay ni fetal hemoglobin yung oxygen sa fetus as compared to the mother. What we're telling is that as compared to the normal adult hemoglobin, the entire curve for hemoglobin F shifted it to the left. So it means that hemoglobin F has a higher affinity for oxygen compared to your hemoglobin A. Okay? Now, let's go to no BPG. No BPG. Ano siya? To the left or to the right? To the left. Pag to the left, anong ginawa ni BPG? Left. Sige. Strip, hindi, mas maganda kasi pag merong BPG. So, tendency, pag strip BPG to the left. Pag maraming BPG, to the right yan. Okay? So, kung si BPG shifted the hemoglobin curve to the right, what did BPG do to the affinity of hemoglobin? It decreased or it did it increase? It decreased. Okay? Kasi alam natin na kapag to the right, ang shift tendency need more oxygen para masaturate, no? So it means that it has a decreased affinity. So your 2,3-BPG, if it decreases the affinity of your oxygen, does it promote the R form or the T form? The R form. Okay? Kasi, ulit. R form is a relax. Napag-miss na rin.
Ang T.
Ulit. Without 2,3-BPG, sa experiment natin, strict meaning wala, no 2,3-BPG. It shifted the curve to the left. Okay? So, pag to the left, even at lower concentration of oxygen, nasasaturate sa hemoglobin. Diba? So, it means that it increased the affinity for oxygen. If it increased the affinity for oxygen, is it the R form or the T form? It is the R form. Okay? So, sama? If it
Ano daw?
to the left, so it increased the affinity of oxygen, of hemoglobin for oxygen. Clear yun? Show of hands na lang. Sige. Yung nakakaintindi, yung naintindihan, marami ka lang. Sige. That BPG increases the, strict No BPG, pag walang BPG, it increases affinity.
To the left.
Pag merong BPG, it decreases affinity. Therefore, 2,3-BPG promotes the T form. Okay? Clear yun? Napag-base na rin. Sige, huli. Sige. 2,3-BPG. Sige, tingnan natin yung function ng 2,3-BPG.
Hindi ko get. Ano yan? May usapan pang left and right yan? Wala na. Wala. Okay.
Wala.
Always
Pero
left.
2,3-BPG, supposedly, no? If it decreases the affinity, no? It stabilizes the T form. Ilomin na lang para pag nag-aaral kayo.
Kasi nag-right curve na
Hindi,
siya.
decrease yung
Can
T4.
decrease the
because of
oxygen.
affinity.
Yung hindi yung oxygen yan.
oxygen
Affinity
and
ng
hemoglobin
oxygen.
because it can
Affinity sa oxygen.
Ni hemoglobin.
Okay?
So left, decrease.
with BBG.
Bakit sabi mo?
Ulit?
Pag nag-right curve,
Oh,
pag nag-right curve,
wait lang.
magdi-decrease yung affinity.
Mas may madali kasi kami concept to na ginagamit dyan to.
Sige, sige.
We pretend na si, ano kasi do, may mas madali kasi concept dito dati do. Like, we pretend kasi na si 2,3-BPG is a kapit. At the same time, si hemoglobin is siya yung parang sabihin natin na partner niya, no? So para ma-release yung oxygen into the tissue, kailangan ng kabit. So para maghiwalay si hemoglobin at saka si oxygen, kailangan ng kabit. And that's 2,3-BPG. And at the same time though, kapag may kabit ang isang lalaki, nag-release ko siya. Ganun po kasi yung concept nun sa amin. Kaya na-stabilize niya ni 2,3-BPG si T4 as a hens.
Ngayon, mas maganda nga na maalala. Okay, very good.
Hindi ko narinig, tumawak kasi sila.
Ngayon, sige, alala ko na din. So, si
Bida-bida.
Pwede din naman kasi babae, ito naman. Sige, okay. Gusto dito na lalaki si hemoglobin. Matandaan nyo na, siya yung may third party, si 2,3-BPG. Okay? Kailangan mo ng kabit para maghiwalay yung oxygen. Ang mag-asawa, si oxygen
At hemoglobin.
Kailangan mo ng kabit, si 2,3-BPG, para ma-release si oxygen. So, ang implication nun, lesser affinity ni
Nung dalawa.
hemoglobin sa asawa niya. So,
Okay.
lesser affinity.
T4.
Pag walang kabit,
pag merong 2,3-BPG, syempre, lesser affinity, di ba?
D4.
Lesser affinity.
D4.
Kasi nga, tapos pag may kabit, tense si hemoglobin, so tendency na lesser affinity. Gets na? Very good, very good. Pagtandaan na yun. Pag nakalimutan, balikan si hemoglobin.
Parang hindi naman na sinabi.